Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. If you're always running short on time and find it difficult to cook healthy meals, then this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll be showing you some amazing 5-minute meal prep techniques that will revolutionize your busy lifestyle. Let's dive in. No time to cook? Try these 5-minute healthy meal prep techniques. No time to cook? It's a common struggle for many of us, the lack of time to prepare nutritious meals. However, with a little planning and the right techniques, you can easily conquer this challenge. Try these 5-minute healthy meal prep techniques. In this video, we'll share 5 quick and easy meal prep techniques that will save you time, energy, and keep you on track with your healthy eating goals. Meal prep technique 1: Mason jar salads. Our first technique is mason jar salads. Simply grab a mason jar and layer it with your favorite veggies, protein, and dressing. Start with the dressing on the bottom, followed by the heavier ingredients, and finish with lighter toppings like lettuce or herbs. When you're ready to eat, just shake and enjoy. Meal prep technique 2: Overnight oats. Next up, we have overnight oats, a perfect breakfast option for those busy mornings. Combine rolled oats, milk, or your preferred alternative, and your favorite toppings in a jar or container. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and by morning, you'll have a delicious, ready-to-eat, and nutritious breakfast waiting for you. Meal prep technique 3: Freezer smoothie packs. For a quick and refreshing beverage packed with nutrients, try our freezer smoothie packs. Pre-portion your favorite smoothie ingredients, such as fruits, vegetables, and add-ins, into individual Ziploc bags. Pop them in the freezer, and whenever you crave a smoothie, just blend the contents of a bag with your preferred liquid. Super easy. Meal prep technique 4: One-pan meals. When time is limited, one-pan meals are an excellent option. Choose your favorite protein, like chicken or tofu, toss in some veggies, and seasonings. Cook everything on a single pan, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a flavorful, balanced meal without the hassle of washing multiple dishes. Meal prep technique 5: Snack packs. Lastly, we have snack packs, a perfect way to combat those midday cravings and stay healthy. Prepare small containers with a variety of snacks like nuts, seeds, sliced fruits, or granola. You can grab one whenever hunger strikes, ensuring you have nutritious options readily available throughout the day. And there you have it, 5 amazing 5-minute meal prep techniques that will revolutionize your busy lifestyle. No more sacrificing your health due to lack of time. By incorporating these simple strategies into your routine, you can prepare nutritious meals hassle-free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more healthy meal prep ideas. Thanks for watching.